what I've noticed with working with so many people, that they don't really know why they want to study. It sounds so simple, and I believe that the complexity is the enemy of execution. Try to write your background, your past self, your present self, and your future self. And under the line of your past, write your background, your education, your experiences, your volunteering experience. The present self, what do you do now? Are you in the last semester of your undergraduate studies? Are you working, or are you unemployed? Whatever it might be. And then in your future self, let's put it a scope of 5 years. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? And it can be, of course, the personal life, but if you're applying for the program, it's more regarding the studies or the career thing. So I would not really spend a lot of time writing, like, of course you want to have family, you want to spend time with friends, obviously we all want to, but let's focus on this line regarding the career of your studies, or regarding like the work experience category of your life. And where do you see yourself? Do you see yourself running your own business in your country, or do you see yourself working for a government? Do you see yourself, I don't know, running workshops, whatever it might be? And please, please, please do not let the inner critics enter writing on this paper. And I know this is super hard, because you suddenly might think, oh, I don't have a lot of experience, or I don't know how to actually get to my ideal self. Please try to just like grab pen and paper and write down everything what comes to your mind before even analyzing it. If it feels difficult for you because the inner critic is so strong, which I absolutely know myself, try to go for a walk without a phone, without podcast, just you and yourself, maybe your dog, and just go alone. Go for like 20-30 minutes, maybe come home, grab a cup of coffee or tea, and try a short meditation and visualization for like between 5 to 40 minutes, depends how skilled you are when it comes to meditation. And try to visualize yourself where the intuition will tell you. Well, something inside of you already is capable of doing it. It's just the matter of the self-limiting beliefs set on us that we are not capable of this, or we are not worth of doing this, like we are not enough. Believe me, you are absolutely enough, because if you see all these successful people, they don't even have the university, sometimes they are not even smart, sometimes it was just the luck of being on the right place at the right time. But at the end, they actually went for this luck. They were not unprepared. They were there and they decided, yes, I'm going for this. So the same I want with you. Try to shut off the inner voice telling you you're not enough and this doesn't make any sense. So again, I will remind you, your past, your present, and your future self. And then when you will see this, try to maybe connect some of the experience will be interconnected. Like you can connect the dots somehow, where, I don't know, your volunteer experience and your future self, like you can see what did you learn there. Was it the mindset of people thinking in different country? Did you notice some issue in the past which your future self is actually able to solve? Try to all this bring together. And above all those 3 points, try to imagine that there is let's say a roof, or there is a vehicle, and that vehicle is the university, is the consortium, is the program, is the research, whatever you're going for. And try to see what this vehicle needs. Is it a gas? And this gas is your experience. So through going to the program and throughout your experience and your knowledge, you can get way faster to your ideal destination. And that ideal destination is your future self in 5 years or in a year. Sometimes we really underestimate what we can achieve within 5 years or within 3 years. So try to always see the connection between you and the program. And if you're going to draw this blueprint, I guarantee you that you're going to take at least about 50% time less than if you didn't draw it. If you still feel lost, then do not hesitate to contact me on a Fiverr and let's book a personalized coaching session, which I guarantee you that throughout one or a couple of sessions, we are going to so deeply into your wants, your goals, your aspirations, that you're not going to only benefit for the program application, but you're actually going to benefit for your future upcoming years. And I really believe that my past experience can bring you faster, closer, and with more ease to your ideal life. And what is more? And I hope to see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.